How to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can transfer crypto from your wallet or to your wallet from Revolut. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to do this, you're going to come to revolut.com/crypto or maybe use Revolut on your phone, whatever you prefer. Make sure you're logged in and everything. Now, you usually will have your crypto in the separate crypto section that you're going to find on your application. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is your Revolut app and there's the separate crypto sections. So on whatever cryptocurrency you click on, it's going to give you send BTC to. So you're going to get wallets and friends. So you're going to choose wallets, and under wallets, it's going to ask you the crypto address and wallet name. So what you're going to do is you're going to add in the crypto address that you want to send this to, and you're just going to give it a random name. Or maybe if it actually has a name, you could set it to that. But yeah, once you've done that, click on continue and your money should be sent to a wallet from Revolut. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.